Hey guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. I can't believe I'm saying that again, but yeah, I decided to revamp my channel again, because I really wanted to document my life and how it's been going lately. And yeah, so today is... what day is it? Wait. Ziggy, what day is today? Okay, it's Wednesday, February 7th of 2024. The last video I posted was last summer? And that was just one video. And I really missed the whole vlogging thing. And I decided I'll document my life from now on because it's really fun. And I've been obsessed with watching vlogs lately. So I was like, okay, let me just make one for myself. So I stayed home from school because I wasn't feeling that well and I decided to rest for a bit. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, subscribe, and see you in my next one. Hey guys, so it is February 9, 2024, and it is currently, what time is it? I don't have my phone, hold on. It is currently 9:17 a.m. and we are actually going out to Island Hop today, and I'm super excited because it's my first time. And yeah, we're still in the car. As you can see, we brought a lot of stuff. Pack light, they say. But yeah, so, bronzer. I didn't do a fit check. I'll just do a fit check later. And yeah, I'm super excited, and let's go. So I just brought my, bag raid for a while. I just brought this tote bag. I just bought this tote bag, and then I have my towel here, and then my swimsuit, and then also a change of clothes. And then I also brought my, we call this a dumpling bag from Mykyl, my favorite one. I have here my chargers and phones and stuff. And then this cap, my favorite cap from Minnesota. It's my favorite, it's how self-loved. Okay, but yeah, I'm still contemplating because I can't see. I need to switch between my glasses if I need to see and my sunglasses for the aesthetics.
Shall I compare to a summer day? She's the sun, she fill up the gray. Quench my thirst, she's my lemonade. The yellow that I couldn't paint. Shall I compare to a summer day? Just like the sun, it will never fade. The cool breeze in the shade, my four leaves to the blade, right to my mistakes. She's coasting off, I'm dozing like a ghost, thinking that maybe I wouldn't notice. But it's colder, it's colder, it's colder out when you're not here.
the vlog. Bye, Auntie Steph. Bye, Auntie Steph. What bye? What's bye? What do you mean bye?
What about Uncle Bean?
Yeah, Uncle Bean. Bye, Uncle Bean.
Bye-bye.
Come here. This is a vlog.
Oh, vlog day, eh?
Hi guys.
Hi.
We're saying bye-bye.
Welcome to our vlog.
Bye-bye.
To a summer day, she's the sun, she fill out the gray. Quench my thirst, she's my lemonade. The yellow that I couldn't paint.
Passenger princess.
Shall I compare it to a summer day? Just like the sun, it will never fade. The cool breeze in the shade, my four leaves to the blade, right to my mistakes. I just know she'll be my downfall. When the rain it pours, my heart will forever take a toll. 'Cause she's all I know, she's all I know, she's all I know. Shall I compare to a winter solstice? While she's coasting off, I'm dozing like a ghost, thinking that maybe I wouldn't notice. But it's colder, it's colder.
Hi guys, so we're currently here at our first stop. Like, funny story guys, we actually we bought like 2 boxes, we brought 2 boxes, and then the one that we put down earlier was the box of chips, so the box that we have here are the box of diapers, so we don't have chips for today, we just have diapers. But anyways, this is the
I can't fall asleep. I just lay in my bed wondering if there's anybody, or if I was born to be lonely. I've been trying, but I'm burned out from my feelings. Setting fires, just hoping that you'll notice me. Oh, I'm sending out an SOS.
her soul was so pure.
And I just need feeling so alone, I'm losing hope. Can anybody see me? I've been on my own for so long that I'm scared.
Hey guys, so today is February 10 of 2023, and yeah, 2024. Oh my
Happy
God.
Chinese New Year, guys.
So today we will be opening a few packages. So I literally just went down to get these.
Yeah, we actually
far. And this is just like one of the highlights of our day. Yeah. Okay, bubble mailer. Hey guys, so it is Feb 11, 2024, and it is 5:02, and we're off to, we just finished our Sunday Mass, and now we're off to...
finished like 45 minutes. Like, what do you mean we just finished?
Yeah, we just finished, since we were in the car. Anyways, so we're off to the mall to eat dinner. We're here at and yeah, so we don't know where we're gonna eat. Where do we eat?
You want something? I want ramen or hot.
I want the latter. Okay, so see you there. I'm with my cousin, Ate Arian, and her girlfriend, Ate Ella. And yeah, so we're just bonding because they're gonna go home na tomorrow. And we just ate, and I just, you know, came along with them to get free food. Yeah. And free laag. I actually had a practice earlier at school, but I, you know, skipped it because I went to laag today, and I'm not really that important and relevant. So yeah, and then we also so now we're gonna like walk around and then just chica.
Cause mine's been stuck on you. Tell me what I should do. Forever not long enough when it's just us two. Been stuck on you like it's still the honeymoon. With you by my side, I'll never lose. I'm just a little bit smitten. You've been tripping through my mind all day. Been thinking about this brown eyes, got me smiling, picturing your face. Cause mine's been stuck on you. Tell me what I should do. Enough when it's just us two. Been stuck on you like it's still the honeymoon. With you by my side, I'll never lose. I'm just a little bit smitten.
Hey guys, it's February 18th, 2024, and we're currently here in McDonald's to eat breakfast. Yeah, we have our family day in school today. This is USJR Family Day 2024. So we're here at the SEM Building Terrace. Nakita ang view sa gawas.
Faded paint on your Impala. Red is never gonna look